Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 40 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every type of new video. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty, everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 40 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out the YouTube algorithm. So smash the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And comment start drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Makima from Chainsaw Man. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I'm super excited for the anime to come out in October. I've heard a lot of great things from the manga. So if you want to see more Chainsaw Man drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. If you want to check out more of my drawings, I'm going to be linking on some of my drawing plays in the description. So if you want to check it out, I'm sure for some anime characters that I've drawn before, they may really like. So make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.